You'll now have to speak on this topic. Describe a law on environmental protection. So please.
I would love to talk about law against cutting trees. So whenever I go on the roof of my house whenever I go outside of my house, whenever I saw on the sky, I feel like bad smokes always. So all of the humans on planet Earth can take benefit because of good what should I say because of good over atmosphere and uh, uh, and it should apply all of I would like to say that it should this law should apply on all countries on the planet Earth because it is very important to our health and even for also plants and even for animals we can get food from these are the sources of for us we can.
Okay, this is good. I mean, you spoke well. You just need a lot of practice and then you will be fine. I really appreciate the ideas you're presenting and the way you are speaking. Just you are lacking practice and then you'll be good. Let's go on. Speaking part 3.
Okay.
Do you think this law is acceptable to people?
Yes, I think so because it depends on our environment and even for our atmosphere. We can get we can make we can make we can build food or like what should I say? I
Okay,
don't
you
know.
need to come up with more ideas for part 3.
Actually, I have idea, but I don't know how to say the word.
Okay, so you should come up with words and ideas both, okay?
Yeah, okay.
All right, thank you.
Welcome.